The final dimensions for my rear leg blank measure 3 5/16 by 1.5 inches. Currently, I am at about 1.7 by about 3.64. So I am well over the measurement that I need. And following the same procedures that we used when making the front leg pieces, we're going to bring these down to size. It is worth noting that you want to make sure that the good face is face down because the knives are on the top of the machine. We have previously trued those two adjacent sides. We want to cut the opposite side parallel to our good true side. So that good side that we labeled is going to be face down. And then for the very last pass, I'm going to flip it and run that good side to clean up the side that I put the pencil marks on. And we are now sized down to our finished thickness of 3 5/16 by our finished width of 1.5.